Example 4.2. A circular loop of area 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 meters square rotates in a uniform magnetic field of 0.2 Tesla. If the loop rotates about its diameter, which is perpendicular to the magnetic field as shown in the figure, find the magnetic flux linked with the loop. When the plane is, first one, normal to the field, second, inclined 60 degree to the field, and third one, parallel to the field. Now this is the diagram given here. Okay. Now what is given in the problem is the area of the loop is given. The area of the loop is equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 meters square. It is rotating in an uniform magnetic field. The value of the magnetic field is 0.2 Tesla. It rotates about the diameter which is perpendicular to magnetic field. So it is rotating in this direction. Magnetic field is perpendicular. Okay. Now we have to find out the magnetic flux linked with the plane. First one is normal to the plane. So when it is normal to the plane, the theta is equal to 0 degree. Theta is equal to what? 0 degree. Okay. So when theta is equal to 0 degree, that is, we should know here, that is theta is the angle between the area vector and the magnetic field. Area vector and the magnetic field. So the area vector and the magnetic field are in the same direction. So only theta is equal to what? 0 degree. Okay. But the plane and the magnetic field are normal. Okay. So theta is equal to 0 degree. So we can write phi b is equal to BA cos theta. Okay. So B value is, 0.5. Sorry. B value is 0.2. Therefore it is 0.2 into area is 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 into cos 0. Cos 0 is what? 1. Okay. So 0.2 into 5 is 1 into 10 raised to minus 2 Weber. So this is for the first case. Second case. Okay. It is inclined at an angle 60 degree to the field. So your theta value is 90 minus 60. Okay, that is 30 degree. 90 minus 60, that is what? 30 degree. So that is phi is equal to BA cos 30 degree. So it is 0.2 into 5 into 10 raised to minus 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Okay. So this can be written as 0.2 into 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 1.732 divided by 2. Now this can be found out as, this is 1 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 1.732 divided by 2. So what will you get here is 8.66 into 10 raised to minus 2 Weber. Okay. You will get it as minus 3 Weber. Okay. If you divide it as by 2, it will be 0.866. So 8.66 into 10 raised to minus 3 Weber. Now in the third case, parallel to the field. Parallel to the field means theta is equal to what? 90 degrees. So phi b is equal to BA cos 90 degree. You know cos 90 degree is what? 0. So the total value will become what? 0.